AdoMobi, Driving Real Connections, is a globally recognized and innovative brand that specializes in mobile advertising and technology solutions designed to meet the rapidly evolving needs of today's digital ecosystem. Since its establishment in 2020, AdoMobi has rapidly risen to become a leader in the mobile advertising industry by helping brands, advertisers, and app developers across the world effectively engage, acquire, and monetize their audiences with precision and scale. With its extensive and robust global network reaching over 1.8 billion unique mobile devices, AdoMobi empowers businesses of all sizes, from startups to large multinational corporations, to connect with their target customers seamlessly in a mobile-first world where consumers are increasingly dependent on their smartphones and mobile applications for everyday life. What truly sets AdoMobi apart in the crowded digital advertising space is its unwavering commitment to leveraging the most advanced technologies available today, including artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and big data analytics to deliver data-driven, efficient, and highly effective advertising solutions that help clients optimize their marketing budgets and achieve measurable results. By combining these technologies with an intuitive platform, AdoMobi enables advertisers to design and launch sophisticated campaigns with granular targeting options that allow them to reach the right audiences based on a multitude of parameters such as location, language, device type, operating system, user behavior, interests, and contextual relevance, all while maintaining optimal budget control and maximizing return on investment. At the core of AdoMobi's platform lies a powerful and intelligent optimization engine that continuously analyzes campaign performance metrics in real time, allowing it to automatically adjust bidding strategies, creative placements, and targeting filters to improve engagement rates, increase conversions, and minimize wasted ad spend. This ongoing dynamic optimization ensures that campaigns remain efficient and effective throughout their life cycle, giving advertisers a competitive edge in capturing audience attention and driving user action. Privacy and data security are fundamental pillars of AdoMobi's business philosophy. The company is deeply committed to fostering a transparent, secure, and trustworthy advertising ecosystem that strictly adheres to global industry standards and regulations, including GDPR and CCPA, to protect user data and uphold consumer privacy rights. By prioritizing privacy, AdoMobi not only builds strong, lasting relationships with consumers, but also assures advertisers that their campaigns are conducted responsibly and ethically, further strengthening brand trust and reputation. The success of AdoMobi is also rooted in its diverse, talented, and globally distributed team that collaborates across continents to bring innovative ideas, fresh perspectives, and unparalleled expertise to the table. This commitment to diversity and inclusion fosters a culture of creativity and continuous improvement, enabling AdoMobi to stay ahead of industry trends and deliver exceptional outcomes for clients. Over the years, AdoMobi has garnered numerous accolades and industry recognition for its groundbreaking contributions to mobile advertising technology, innovation, and customer service excellence. The company's reputation as a trusted partner is reinforced by its consistent ability to meet and exceed the unique needs of brands and app developers seeking to optimize their mobile advertising strategies. Whether a client's objective is to drive app installs, increase brand awareness, boost engagement, or maximize revenue, AdoMobi provides scalable, flexible solutions that adapt to diverse marketing goals and budgets. Its state-of-the-art technology infrastructure, combined with a vast global reach, a rigorous commitment to privacy, and a passionate, expert team, makes AdoMobi a leading force shaping the future of mobile advertising. In today's hyper-connected world where mobile devices dominate consumer behavior, AdoMobi is the trusted partner that brands and developers rely on to build real connections with their audiences, delivering impactful advertising experiences that resonate and perform. To discover how AdoMobi can help your business thrive in the mobile advertising landscape, visit http://w.adomobi.com/ today and start your journey towards smarter, more effective, and more meaningful advertising.